This video is going to demonstrate how to use a few screencasting tools, either for teachers or for students. The first one on our list is the Smart Recorder. This is the easiest and best one to use if you're on your teacher computer or you're going to have students doing this in a computer lab. And we find Smart Recorder as part of the Smart Suite on our computer's images. So just by searching Smart, it will come up with the Smart Recorder. Double click and it will load the program. Smart Recorder pops up in your window, and in order to use, you simply need to know that this is the record button, but also that this drop-down menu provides some options. Record desktop means record your whole screen. Record area means you get to pick the area of the screen you want to record, and record window just means the window that you are currently on. And if you minimize it, it won't record your desktop, which may be useful in some instances. In order to start recording, you're going to press one of the options, and now it is recording what we say and what we see. If you have a microphone headset plugged in, or if you have even a document camera that has a microphone built in, this is acceptable and it will record your voice. If I want to finish the video or pause the video, that's what we're going to use these buttons for. Press the pause if you want to change your screen and then talk about something else, and now we can press record again and it will keep recording on the same video. But if we are done, we are simply going to press stop. It will then take you to your computer window and choose where you want to save your video and name it. Smart Recorder, and save. And after you save, it actually is going to open up the video and start playing it automatically. I think we had that checked. Oh, we can check it now, and I can say OK, and it will pop up in Windows Movie Player. And now it is recording what we say and what we see. And we can hear and see played what we recorded. Or if you have even a document camera that has a microphone built in, this is
When using Screencastify to record ourselves on the Chromebook, we need to use a Chrome extension. These Chrome extensions are up at the top right of your browser. The one we use looks like a film strip. It's called Screencastify. When we click on it, it has a drop-down menu first. We want to make sure both our microphone and our video are checked to make sure that they are using. We also like to see a preview of what we are recording, and then we click Start Recording. When we are recording, it is actually recording whatever the camera sees. You can kind of see a preview in the lower right-hand corner of what Screencastify is recording. And when we are done, we simply need to hit the Stop button. That will open up another tab for Screencastify. And the first thing we're going to want to do is to change the name of the video from Untitled Screencast to whichever name that you would like to name it. I call mine Test. After renaming our document, we want to make sure that we share it correctly. It's already saved locally, but we want to make sure that we can send it to our teachers, and so we put it into My Drive. In order to do that, we need to click on the three dots with a line connecting them. Make sure Google Drive and then Unlisted is selected, and then Upload, and that will automatically put it into our drive when we are on the Chromebooks. On the right-hand side of our Screencast tab, there is a link symbol right next to My Drive, and as soon as we click on that link symbol, it copies the link to that file in our drive, and we can either go into our WITS mail or our Google form and send it to our teacher, or if we wanted to test it ourselves, we can just open up a tab and paste it into our browser and go to where the movie is saved. Right now it's just processing, but we don't need anything else at this point. Just wait till it's processed.
What we want to do first is find that video in our Google Drive. And so in a blank tab, we'll hit the waffle and hit our drive symbol. And once we get into our drive, we can simply use the search bar at the top to type in Screencastify or just Screen, and it will come up with the folder where it is saving all our Screencastify movies. We click on the Screencastify folder, and inside we should have the videos that we have saved from Screencastify.